What is się and when to use it? Part 4. Polish reflexive pronouns and grammatical case. It is very easy to forget that się is actually a pronoun, and just like most other Polish pronouns, it has separate forms in several grammatical cases. Genitive się, siebie. Dative sobie. Accusative się, siebie. Instrumental sobą. Locative sobie. Why are the nominative and vocative forms missing from the table? Simply because they do not exist. Reflexive pronouns cannot act as the subject of the sentence or a form of address, so there is no need for forms that would fulfill these functions. The accusative and genitive forms are the most common ones. These are the familiar się and siebie forms we have been using so far to refer to the object of the sentence. What about the other cases? The dative form sobie is used to indicate that the recipient, indirect object of the action, is the same as the doer. It's different from the accusative in that an action expressed with the dative is not really performed on the object, but rather for the object or in the relation to it. Tom zrobił sobie kanapkę. Tom made himself a sandwich. Nie ufają sobie. They don't trust each other. The instrumental form sobą is mostly used with prepositions like z, with, za, behind, pod, under, nad, above, and przed, in front of or before. You can learn more about prepositions and the way they interact with grammatical cases in my other video, which will follow. Zamknął za sobą drzwi. He shut the door behind him. Rozmawiają ze sobą. They are talking with each other. The most common use of the locative form sobie is after prepositions such as o, about, w, in, po, after, and przy, next to. Anna myśli tylko o sobie. Anna only thinks about herself. John i Paula byli w sobie zakochani. John and Paula were in love with each other. It is important to remember that się in reflexive verbs such as śmiać się, to laugh, or bawić się, to play, never changes its grammatical case. It can only appear as the short accusative form się. To wszystko na dzisiaj. Do zobaczenia.